Hi friends! Puga and I decided to take a walk at Frick today. Puga loves to sniff. And look, we found a dandelion. I love these little purple flowers. I think they're really pretty. Let's see what other flowers we can find while we're walking. Guys, Puga and I decided to take the shortcut trail today. We haven't done this one for a long time, so... But there she is, she's walking. She loves to stop and sniff. Ooh, there's a bird, do you see? Got a bird? What else can we find while we're outside? Is it dark or sunny out today? It's sunny, right? Good job. Don't know if you guys can see it or not, but there's a robin right here with its orange belly looking for worms. It's such a pretty day at Frick Park. Lots of trees, you can see some birds. We've got dandelions and these little purple flowers down here. I didn't find any of the little white ones. That's okay. Very pretty. There's Puga having a good time on her walk.